Just 5 years ago, I would never have thought that Chinese automobiles would take flight in Singapore. By 2016, you're easily going to have more than 13 brands available on outside the island. Some of them are bread and butter cars. And then there's this. Something special if you really like to Hao Lian.
So what is an Aion Hyptec HT? Well, it is a luxury mid-size coupe electric SUV. But here's the thing, it may be quite a fancy car, but it is smack in the middle of plenty of similar sized and price competition. This includes the Tesla Model X,
Zeekr 7X, IM6, BYD C-Line 7, Deepal SO7, Cooper Tabasco, Skoda Enyaq, Smart Hatchback 5, Volkswagen ID5, Xpeng G6, Kia EV5.
Well, of course, you could also snag a base model Polestar 2 Core Edition, and some say that this is a Tesla Model I on a budget. I wonder why.
So on one end, you have cheaper, which is good for food or studying. But as you say studying, do you know why? Because on the other end, they have this footrest, which gives me a pretty good idea of why this Hyptec have this arrangement.
But in all seriousness, if you're looking for comfort, the HT can do no wrong. However, I did mention early on, it is a car for those who like to Hao Lian. But remember, to Hao Lian, a lot makes you weak. But to Hao Lian in moderation is like a balanced diet. We enjoyed creating this video and we do hope you enjoyed it too. If you do like seeing more of our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel.